Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do the spicy noodle race challenge, in which one of us. Hi baby! That's my pet dog Fifi. Isn't she cute? Like, aw. So in today's video, we're going to do the spicy noodle challenge, in which all three of us will race to finish our bowl of spicy noodles, and whoever finishes first gets to win.
Hello!
Hi,
Where
Hello.
are
What do you have
The
there?
winner will take all. And also a surprise prize
Surprise.
inside my
How
pocket.
much?
$100.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
And a surprise
Money.
for candies. Hey!
Oh, yay. Okay.
Okay, let's
Okay, so
start.
anyways, well, let's start cooking this so we can get on with the challenge. Let's go. So we're here now preparing to cook the noodles, in which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces and packets of noodles, and we're going to cook all of it.
So we'll be cooking. So in this mukbang, we'll be cooking this hot chicken flavor ramen in the cheese flavor.
Wait, are we gonna cook all of it?
Yeah, of course, I'm starving. Go big or go home.
Yeah.
And we're also going to add some cheese singles just to add more flavor in it. But don't worry guys, it's not going to, it's not going to affect the spice level, because we're still going to put everything in it. So it's still fair game. Eyes on the prize, everyone. Eyes on the prize. Look at that.
We'll start by opening the packets and separating the packets.
Okay.
Guys, no, opening.
Oh, sorry.
There.
So start cooking.
Next.
Okay, so now the real deal. We're about to do it. Let's go. I'm starving. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh my god. It's so spicy. What the heck? No.
It's not actually. Really? It's so spicy for you?
Yeah, it's so spicy for me. I don't know. I'm such a terrible Asian. I can't handle spice. Sorry about that. Do we have any tissue here? I think we do, yeah. Oh no. Oh gosh. But it's still delicious though.
Yeah.
Which one's leading?
But no.
You're busy eating. How can they talk?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Come on.
No! I can't.
You're very decent.
I can't.
As if you're trying just like to eat.
Sino na? Sino ang una?
Drink water. Drink milk. Milk muna. Milk muna. Buga.
Oh my God! We have a winner!
Oy! What? What? No! No!
Drink a little milk.
Oh, come on!
Oh!
Clear your tongue. Congratulations, Brad. Congrats.
I won!
Okay, so I'll just enjoy my hearty noodles.
I can't feel my mouth.
I really thought I'm gonna win.
Same, like, dude. I thought I was gonna win this thing, but like, you know what? Nah, it's okay. It's the journey that counts. And I'm relishing every second of it.
Hey, no. That's mine.
A few moments later.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, for the second prize, I'll still give you $50.
No,
Make it
no,
better. Come on, baby.
Oh, come on! Even after we skim, eat so organic.
It's so spicy for me, dude.
Nagkakalat ako, parang nakikain ka lang. Nakikain ka lang.
Because it's so
Make it
spicy.
better, come on. Oh, puppies. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, galing!
Congratulations. Congratulations.
So, how do you guys feel? Like you guys won?
After I finish, I can't even feel my mouth.
Well, it's not spicy for me.
It's spicy, but it's bearable.
It's so spicy for me, but I'm just relishing every bite.
I've been observing you.
It wasn't spicy at
As if you
first.
join the contest just because to eat. Keep eating.
I'm talking.
Just
You know, at first, you won't feel how spicy it is.
Yeah.
And then it'll sink
In the
in.
long run, you're gonna feel it.
And then it will sink in, right? Yeah. But look at Gibbs, she's so red!
I can't just because she want to eat.
Why are
It's not even hot.
It's not even hot! It's just that spicy. That's bite! But why are you blowing it? It's not even hot!
Is it really that spicy?
So that was something. And congratulations to Brian who got first place and Kelly as the second placer. I came in last and I didn't win anything, but it's okay. I enjoyed eating it anyway.
Yeah.
She had $100. Wow.
I know, right?
And Kelly had 50. Not too shabby. And I didn't get anything, but I still had fun eating these noodles.
They know it's
I got
spicy.
really full even though it's spicy, but it's still trebion. And yeah, Grandpa, thank you for giving us those prizes.
Thank you for the salapi.
What are your guys' take on this experience?
Oh, no pain, no gain.
No sacrifice, no victory.
And mine is to just enjoy the ride, because sometimes it's not about the destination, but it's about the journey, which is also just as good, you know.
You always find inspirational quotes in every situation.
That's true. How about you, Grandpa?
Me? Remember, whenever you fall, we stand. Because a journey to 1,000 miles always starts with the first left.
Okay, size, size.
And in your travel, in your journey, you are going to encounter obstacles. Don't mind them. You always fight and never give your dream.
Never give your dream.
Give up your dream.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Never give up.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like,
Thank you,
share,
subscribe.
and subscribe to my channel with the notifications on. And this is Kim, Gab, Kelly, and we're signing off. See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.